be back with another activity book today. This one is Rainbow Kingdom, and it even came with some fun googly eye stickers. Let's look at those. Aw, they're so cute. Let's jump right in and get started. Our first page we're going to work on is called Perfect Pairs. We're going to draw the line to match the animals to their partners. Let's start with the bunny. Do you see the other one? There it is. Let's draw our line. And how about our snake? There it is. And the little piggy? It's way up in the corner. Now what's next? How about the frog? Yep, there it is, up at the top. And that leaves the bear. Aw, good job. Now we're going to move on to forest friends. We're going to color the picture and use the dots as guides. Let's go over the colors as we use them. This one is yellow. Can you think of some other things that are yellow? How about the sun? Did you say the sun? How about a banana? Awesome! Now we're on to another color, and I know you can tell me what this one is. Orange, that's right! Good job! Now can you tell me a couple of other things that are orange? Awesome, that's right. Some of my favorite things that are orange are pumpkins. I love pumpkins. And oranges, of course. They're so yummy and juicy and they taste so good. Now we're on to our next color. Can you tell me what this one is? Yes, that's right, of course. It's purple. Do you have anything that you love that is purple? Awesome! I love that! I have a favorite stuffed animal that's purple. Now we're on to another color. Can you tell what this one is? It might be a little bit harder. This is teal. Can you think of anything that is teal? This one might be kind of hard. I'm not sure I can think of anything, but teal always reminds me of mermaids swimming in the ocean. These animals are turning out so cute. Now, what color are we using? This is my favorite color. It's pink. Do you have something in your house that's pink? Awesome! I love it. Something in my house that's pink are Barbies. We only have 2 more colors left. Shout out this color. Green, that's right. Good job. And one more color, and this one is brown. Wow, our picture turned out so cool. Let's go on to our next page. Oh my goodness, this one's called Enchanted Falls, and we're going to search the scene for the things below. First, we need to find one kite. Do you see it? There it is! Awesome! Let's put a check mark. And next, we're going to look for 3 balls. There's one! have to find 5 toadstools or mushrooms. There's one. Oh, 2. 3. 4 and 5. Awesome. Now, can we find 6 butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 way up at top. Good job. Now 7 fish. Let's go. Oh, there's one. Look at this one jumping out of the water. Where are the other ones? There they are. Awesome. We found them all. And lastly, we have to find 8 flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's the last one? There it is! It's on the bunny! Good job! Thanks for helping! That's all we have time for today. I hope you guys had fun working on the activity book with me. I can't wait to see you next time.